So my voice is kind of sounding off today, but at least we're going to Mall of Asia Arena. I'm also excited to buy some matcha there because I tasted their matcha last time and it was so good. So yeah, we're gonna go there. By the way guys, I'm not trying to sound good, okay, but I literally washed my hair a few times yesterday and my blush isn't still coming off. So the blush is Cloud Beauty Blush Serum Green Therapy. Guys, I tried doing my own makeup. Wait, I'm so pawis. It's the Idol makeup filter that I mimicked on TikTok. Guys, so now we're gonna go to Mawaka, so I'm still removing my makeup. Yeah, watch my shorts sa Instagram, uploaded in every social media. Guys, I did my look, and I know I'm still not skillful with makeup, but I tried, and this is the best that I could do as of the moment. And guys, look at my outfit for today. I think I wore this when I was, you know, doing the summer rehearsals back in 2024. It's in regional, so yeah, I'm still wearing the same white bag that I've been obsessing over for months now. And yeah, I think my outfit is giving Tita look. You guys know Tita look. It's Auntie look. Hi mom, hello. What's up? What guys, I literally filmed myself doing some makeup on Instagram, TikTok and all that because I want to hold myself accountable for practicing makeup. Because I really wanted to be my, you know, my skill this year. So yeah, I think that's one of the tips that I would, you know, give to you guys about, you know, being great about something. If you want to be great about something, yeah. But I still think that I am in no position to talk about, you know, makeup tips because I myself am still, you know, I still suck at makeup. So yeah, we're gonna go through this journey together. And yeah, why am I saying a lot of things? Finally, Mall of Asia ni Ronaldo. Sandro kay Mall of Asia. Wow. At ni Christina. After 999 years, guys, papunta na kami sa MOA. Yes. Yes, after a long ride. Matchy-matchy silang dalawa, tapos matchy-matchy kami tatlo. Color coding. Guys, so second floor. Kuya, ganda! Makeup guys. Wow. That's so cool. Guys, this bag is so cute. I guess someday I will get it, but I can't. Parang gusto ko po yung Yang Chow fried rice. me see. Wow. I'm gonna try some ano here. Why do I look so serious when I'm trying something? Wait. Oh, maganda. So we're gonna choose some. Ito po, no?
Ako at saka yung si Aura.
Si Aura. Ako na po.
Pwede naman.
Bukas pa. Oh, yaman. Delivery.
Yeah. We're at Muji, guys. Kanina nag-swatch ako, diba? Sabi ng kapatid ko, naharap ka na ni Mami, lagot ka. Hindi ako natuloy. But it's okay. I'm just gonna find some makeup na lang. Tingnan nyo to. Oh my gosh. Allowed ba to? Guys. Allowed ba yan?
Pwede yan.
Pwede ba yan?
Oo.
Grabe.
Lipat tayo.
So ganda. Matcha.
Ay, ito yung latte na.
Ay, ito na po kami. Ikaw ang mag-taste test. First time mo ba?
Yeah.
I-order niya matcha latte. Okay. Okay, tara. Okay guys, so...
Muna ako itadapin na. Pakadami naman po. Isang shot lang.
Why?
Yeah.
May pinili mukbang or taste.
Take two.
Hala, ba't mo nilag?
Okay na yan.
Ang haba na ng screen time mo ah.
Sadya yan.
Okay, go. Ano?
Wow, damo premium.
Masarap. Parents, picture sila guys, oh. Parang gusto mo kaganti ni Daddy sa inyo ha. Naabutan na kami ng closing time dito sa Mall of Asia, but it's okay. Now we're gonna go to the CR to si Daddy. Natutuwa ako, meron akong swatch pa rin dito. Oh, bak. Tuwa na naman siya sa kanyang ano. I really love our outfit today. It's giving ano nga. It's giving rich, charis. Ganda talaga dito, guys. Sabi nga ni Mami, after daw ng ano, pag kapag nasa stress siya, ganon. Or pag kunwari gusto niya mag-relax after a long week, ayan, gusto niya daw pumunta dito sa MOA. Tapos bibili kami ng makeup. Di ba po ma? Yes. Mag-makeupan ko din si Mami, guys. Ha? Yung, hindi po syempre man pag kunwari gusto ko mag-practice ng makeup. O, di ba? Makeupan mo ka. Ano po mala Korean? Korean. Mga Korean. Dad, gusto niyo po ba makeup pa kita pang king ko?
No?
Ako na lang. Ako ba?
Makeup pa kita pang king ko.
Ako bahala kay daddy. Ako bahala din.
May makeup po. May makeup po.
Tabundok. Tabundok.
Tarzan!
Lain po tabundok.
Merong natatay. Ay, siya guys. Guys, alam nyo, kita nyo may ano ako, may crush akong celebrity. Di ba celebrity? Influencer? Ay, si Brett Manalo. Guys, oh my gosh. Hello, Brett Manalo. Kung charat. Kaya anong Tagalog na sink?
Sink?
Lalabo. Alam mo yung niluto mo nung nakaraan, di ba? Spinola. Pilit. Sorry, guys. Hala, parang ang sarap kainin. Charot. Hindi ko na sa tao, guys. Tago kami kay Mami. Meron po ngayon palang ride sa MOA.
Daan lang.
Ano tayo? Baka sumayag ka doon sa kaliwa.
Guys, meron po pala tayong rides ngayon sa SM MOA. Masyado ho siya nakakahilo.
Baliktad tayo.
Sige, sige pa.
Oo nga.
Roller coaster. Yung mga tinapay natin.